Hello, are you constantly looking for ways to make money online? Do you want to achieve financial freedom in a way that you can do minimal work and make tons of money? Does making money online sounds risky to you? Don't worry, today I am bringing you a method by which you can make money 100% guaranteed. This method is absolutely legit and you don't need any technical skills. Just in a few minutes, I will explain to you a way by which you can guarantee your passive income stream without any challenging work. This method is very inclusive, so no matter what part of the world you are in, you can easily use this. The best part is that you can use your phone or laptop to access the website that I am about to tell you. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell to be notified of our future videos. So now let's get started without wasting any more time. The biggest hurdle with affiliate marketing is to get people to buy the product that you are promoting to gain the commission. But what if I tell you with this method you can guarantee earning money even if the buyer does not buy from the link? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it is 100% legit as it is a part of Amazon. The website we will be working on is audible.com. This site is frequented by millions across the world. Audible is the premier provider of audiobooks, radio and audio programs, spoken word content, and original audio programming for listeners around the world. People can sign up for this website for free and can get a 30-day free trial, after which they will only have to pay $14.95 per month for the membership. Now go to Google and search for the Audible affiliates. On the page, you will find the overview where you have to promote the audiobook, get people to sign up, and make money. Now if you scroll down you will find just how much you can make through the program. The best part of Audible is that you will get paid if the buyer simply signs up on the website using your link. Even if the buyer cancels the membership after 30 days you will still make money. Looking at the commission you will find out that you will be able to make $5 by simply getting people to sign up where they don't even have to pay for signing up. If any of the buyers purchase the membership you will earn the commission of $10, and every time the buyer purchases an audiobook you will be credited with 50 cents. Imagine if you are able to get just 20 people to sign up, there you have $100 just like that. To get started, click on the Become Affiliate option on the screen. There you can log in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account you can simply create one. Now to bring traffic to the website using your affiliate link. You can simply choose a specific category of the book you want to promote. For example, you can choose motivational audiobooks. Now go to Google and search for motivation forums. There you will get tons of results. All you gotta do now is open these forums and copy-paste your affiliate link. For better results, choose as many niches as possible. The more people you get to sign up, the more you will earn, and since it provides 100% passive income, what are you waiting for? Hurry and sign up for their affiliate program now. If you liked our video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do check our description box to learn even more methods to make money online.